Hi, my name is Maritza Gonzalez, and today for my lesson plan, I'm going to teach you how to add fractions. So in order to add fractions, there are two simple rules. Okay, the first rule is fractions must have the same denominator. And rule 2 is that fractions, only the numerators are going to be adding. Okay, so just in case you forgot, the numerator goes at the top, okay? So we're gonna write it out here. Numerator at the top. And we have the denominator at the bottom, okay? So let's take a look at this, okay? So of course, we will be doing adding. And for today, since it's our first time, we're gonna be doing small fractions. Okay, we're gonna be adding small fractions. We're not gonna be messing with any of the big fractions just yet, okay? So we're gonna put out our fraction signs, okay? And we're gonna start with a number, okay? So let's pick a number. I see 3, okay? We're gonna pick 3 as our denominator, okay? So now if we have 3 on this side, our rule says that the denominators must be the same, which means that if we have a 3 here on this denominator, we must have a 3 on this denominator as well, okay? So now our fractions at the top can be any number, okay? So let's just pick, for say, 7, okay? No, not 7. Let's pick the number 2. Let's do small numbers, okay? So yeah, 2 here. And then we'll do 1. Okay, we'll start off small. Starting off small, okay? So we must follow our rules, okay? So our rules say that the denominators must be the same, which is the denominator, 3 and 3 are the same. And that our numerators, which are these 2 numbers at the top, are going to be the only ones that are added, okay? And if you don't understand this format, let's do a picture as well, okay? So our denominator lets us know that there's 3 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, and 2 of them is what we're using. So we can shade those in. 1, 2. And we're going to be adding our denominator says there's 3 pieces on the other one, and we're only going to be needing 1 of those pieces. Okay. All right. So we have 2 shaded out of 3. So 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. So 3 pieces, but we're only using 1. Okay. So now what we do is we'll follow the rules, and it says that our denominators will stay the same. So all we do is we move that forward because these are not adding. They're going to just stay the same. We're not adding the denominators. We're only going to add the numerators when we're adding fractions. Okay. So we just move over the 3 that way, all the way across. And we focus on adding the numerators. So 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Okay. And the way you can see that in the picture is your denominator, which is the 3, stays the same. And all you need to do is move your shaded pieces. So this piece over here has 2 shaded pieces. Shade 2. And this one has 1 shaded piece. So we're going to shade 1 more. Okay. We filled up all the pieces here. So all 3 pieces are filled up. Okay. And instead of saying 3 over 3, we simply just say 1 whole. So 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 gives you 1 whole. And that's how you add fractions.